Hi guys, and welcome back to Ari Has Ideas, and today I'm going to show you how to build a catapult. So let's get started. So first you get one of those thick pops, like wide popsicle sticks instead of the regular ones, which are kind of like slim and thin, and then you stack 7 on top of each other. So once you're finished stacking up the 7 popsicle sticks together, you get a rubber band and you tie the top and bottom with some rubber bands. And after I finished making the catapult, I actually added more rubber bands so it's stronger, and the really thin elastic band, because they're really small and they break. Like the one that I'm tying right here, look, one just died in the process of making this catapult, but I added more, I added 3 together so it stays. And after you're done wrapping them around the top and the bottom, you get 2 more popsicle sticks, and then you put them in the middle, and then you try to make them touch at the bottom, to make like a slanted kind of thing. And then you tie it with a rubber band, and you can also do the same thing, tie with 3 rubber bands, because that part is going to be moving a lot. Next, you take a big rubber band, not one of the small ones, because I was using one of the small ones before, but I actually tried this step with a small one and it doesn't work out because you have to make an X along the middle, and that's kind of tricky. And then you have to make 2 lines next to X using the same rubber band. So I just decided to use one of the bigger rubber bands instead to do this step. So once you finish doing the X across the middle and the lines, I just put away my extra popsicles back because I didn't want to keep it there and make a mat, leave it there and then start making nails. Now you get a cap from anywhere, from soda or something, and you just hot glue it down to the popsicle stick that has the X in the middle. And this thing goes very far when you put a pom-pom, and it's super fun. Yeah! Well, that's all for today, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video with all your friends. Thanks for watching, and goodbye!